eligible player with a H. The next match, we have Vikram Lagapati, one of the nicest guys you'll ever meet your whole life. You're gonna see him in the next game, and we'll tell you all about him then.
Absolutely, I'm waiting for his. It's always fun to watch left-handed thinkers, and he's one of those very fun to watch players. But back to this women's singles match, we have Veda playing against Anisha Datla. So we just got done with the practice. Back to the match.
I think it's gonna be a match of basically hanging in there. Veda is gonna go for it. I mean, that's what it's going to be all about. And at the end of the day, Anisha just needs to hang in there and kind of fight it out.
Yeah, it is all dependent on how well Veda can drive in this game. So far in the women's doubles, she showed glimpses of it until the Dasos team iced it out. But it's all going to be dependent on how well Veda is going to drive this game, because Anisha has got to really cope up with those power shots.
I played doubles, mixed doubles against Veda. It was me, another guy, and Veda. And I actually wanted Veda to join my team.
To wait for next year's auction, I guess.
Yes. Anisha on serve, love dream. I think, to be honest, one of the only few ways to beat a banger is actually to slow down the game as much as you can. I mean, there's no other way, because they're going to keep coming at you. And if you play their game, it's not going to work out really well.
Veda is one of those players who just keeps hammering you down until you give up. She's going to keep driving, she's going to keep pushing you. And there you go, that just kind of proves it. Two deep shots, she's got a pattern. Two deep shots, moving towards the front, pushing towards Anisha's backhand. She figured that Anisha is going to slice it up, and then we had the smash.
Great cut. And you can see she's decided that she wants to close it out, doesn't want to rally it out. Short points, quick. Almost a Lindsay Davenport with agility for Martina Hingis.
But the attitude of Serena Williams, though, it's crazy how she just doesn't give up. She's just mentally ready all the time, and keeps hammering you down, like I said. And we'll see if she's going back to her thing where she's going. Yeah, there you go. If she sees you coming to the net, you see those backhand down the lens, backhand cross courts. If she sees you staying back, she's going to hit that deep return, head to the net.
So basically you're saying she's going to win HPL till 2049.
It all depends on how well Nandi plays in the playoffs now. We'll decide how.
Veda, please start from next year till 2015, not this year. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers.
It is 8-love. Veda showing no mercy so far. Completely taking the game by control. The Dasos side a bit calm at this moment. Except the kid who shouted, "Let's go Dasos" before the game. But we're back to the match starting. Anisha just smiling it through.
The last time Veda showed mercy, she was in church.
Back to Veda serving. Anisha pushing, no, not working through. Veda back to quickly to serve again. I think she wants to finish this game, go home. Yeah. Unfortunately, guys, it's turning out to be a cakewalk.
I'm sure the Asus have a clear plan for the next two games. Currently, All Stars are leading 2-1. Then is 3-1. They have two games to see the result. So It'll be interesting to see how the Asos play their next two games.
I think all of us have been in a situation where, in some sport, some game, the other person is so good that they overpower you, and obviously there's a sense of difficulty, maybe a sense of helplessness that comes in. I think this is a time where you just gotta admit that wasn't your day, move on. It's going to happen to all of us at some point, and get on with it.
Veda taking a 13-0 lead. More points to finish it off.
Love.
Anisha's got one chance to open the account.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
We're all rooting for you. Let's get 1-2 points. Lisa. Oh, I hit the net also.
Someone like Sushant.
There you go, 1 point. Veda wouldn't mind that. Anisha would actually love it. And as somebody who's been in Anisha's position sometimes, this is the best case scenario. I'll sleep very happy at night.
And win the point. Just let go of the point.
Yeah, I won't be sleeping very well then.
Veda serving for match point. Great smash. Yeah. Anisha still not giving up.
We all love Veda, but we want Anisha to win 1 point. Come on, Anisha, let's go.
There we go. She's got a point. Let's go, Dasos.
There you go. That is 120 decibels there.
It's good.
Reminds me how. Remember when Rahul Dravid took 27 balls to score his first run and the Australian crowd actually erupted? This is actually very similar to that.
The term for 15-0 is a pickle. But thankfully there have been no pickles in this tournament. We've only seen good pickleball. So Veda now finally looking to drive out. It was right out. Referee saying out. Referee wants to watch the game a little bit more. No one wants to go home early, guys.
Oh, that's a brilliant point.
Anisha is feeling like a superstar now. I think she feels like Naga Chaitanya tonight.
So, Sid, what is your strategy for next two games?
That's very, very complicated strategy. In an ideal world, win.
Especially for the Asos.
For the SIDS team, which is the Nandi Chargers, they're one of the very few teams that have changed strategy pretty often and it's worked out. So this is actually played with 3 different doubles partners, if I'm right. So 2 times it worked out, 1 time it didn't, and then they went back to square one what they played initially. I guess, I don't know, but I think I love the pairing of Taran and Sid, because both of them were driving hard. But the recent combinations have also worked out pretty well.
See,